In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a navigation menu on Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refine your store's navigation, this step-by-step guide will help you streamline the process and make your online store more user-friendly. A well-organized menu can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your control center, where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once there, look for the My Store section and select Home. This will bring you to the main dashboard, where you'll have access to a variety of options for managing your shop. Next, on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a menu with different tabs. Here, you'll need to click on Content. This section allows you to manage the various components of what your visitors will see on your site, including text, images, and more. Now you'll want to look for the Menus option within this content area and give it a click. Menus are an essential part of your site navigation, as they allow you to organize your products and pages coherently. Once you're in the Menus section, look for a button that says Create Menu. This button will guide you through the process of setting up a new navigation menu for your store. It's a straightforward process, but here's where you can start customizing to fit your store's style and needs. When you begin creating a new menu, the first thing you'll need to do is click on Name. Type in a name that clearly represents what the menu will contain. For instance, if this menu is for your product categories, you might simply name it Products or Shop All. Naming is crucial as it shows up in your site's menu bar and guides your customers. After naming your menu, it's time to add items. Click on Menu Items. This is where you can start building the structure of your navigation. You can include links to product collections, pages, blog posts, or even external URLs if necessary. Think strategically about how your customers might browse your store and make sure your most popular or essential pages are easily accessible. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. It's always a good idea to review what you've done, ensuring everything's correct and displaying as you intended before moving on. Once saved, your new menu will automatically update on your Shopify store, giving customers an improved shopping experience with simpler, more effective navigation. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a navigation menu on Shopify. Remember, a well-crafted menu can significantly improve the usability and efficiency of your website, enhancing customer satisfaction and potentially boosting sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.